English Prepositions by Let's Learn English. Do you think you have a good sense of English vocabulary? In today's lesson, we shall have a challenging quiz to test your knowledge. All the best! Choose the best word to complete each sentence. Pause the video, give your answer, play and check your answer. I got all the questions right, dash the last one. Beside, among, except. The answer is except. I can't drink coffee, dash sugar. It's too bitter. Throughout, within, without. The answer is without. He gave the presentation dash being ill, although, despite, during. The answer is despite. I want to snack on something salty, dash potato chips, as, by, like. The answer is like. My house is dash the university, across, close, near. The answer is near. We watch TV dash 2 hours, for, from, since. The answer is for. There were numerous mistakes dash the article, alongside, beneath, throughout. The answer is throughout. How did you do? Leave a comment with your score. If you can improve your vocabulary, you'll have a lot more ways to express yourself. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to receive regular updates on our videos.